Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Backup apps, photos, and a full Nandroid image to PC or cloud. Once done, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging and OEM unlocking so the phone will accept low-level commands. Next, install ADB and Fastboot on your computer and confirm your device appears with a DB devices. This ensures communication. Make sure the battery is above 50% and a USB cable is ready. These steps let you safely proceed to modify the system. You now install a custom recovery to manage system changes. Use Fastboot to flash the TWRP image, for example, Fastboot Flash Recovery TWRP. This gives you a controlled environment. Once installed, boot into recovery and verify the signature and device compatibility. Then transfer the ROM and any vendor zip to the device or sideload via a DB sideload. Mount the system partition and perform targeted wipes, cache, Dalvik, or data if required, so the new system installs cleanly without legacy conflict. You finish by flashing the system image or ROM zip through TWRP or Fastboot. Include vendor and optional GApps packages when necessary so features work. Once flashing completes, wipe cache and reboot system. Expect the first boot to take several minutes. After boot, complete setup, grant permissions, and confirm hardware like Wi-Fi and cameras function. If you hit a boot loop, try restoring your Nandroid backup, reflash the correct recovery, or verify ROM to device compatibility. These quick steps usually resolve common failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.